Hello, this is Allison Hahn, and I'm going to be working a problem for midterm review. And so our problem is we are to sketch y of t given two functions. So we're given the function h of t, which is just this graph from on t on the time axis, and it goes up to 1. And this is h1 of t. And then we're also given h2 of t, which is this graph, which goes out to 2t. And it goes up to a. So, given those graphs, we're given input x of t, which is just a summation. So x of t equals the summation to infinity from k equals negative infinity of the delta function of t minus 2k big T. So that's our function. And so what we're going to do is we're going to combine the two h1 of t and h2 of t. And we've also know that y of t is going to equal h2 x of t minus h1 x of t. So the way this works is what you need to do is basically all this is saying is that you take your combined h functions and multiply it by x of t. So the combined h function, h of t, is just going to be, your graph is going to look like this, where at time 2t is where it ends, but at time t it jumps up from a minus 1 all the way up to a. So this is h of t. So given that, then we multiply it out, and we know from the sifting principle of delta functions that when you multiply a delta function, all you're really doing is, for a non-integral function, you're just drawing a line with your delta function. So if you multiplied a delta function by, say, a straight line, it would just be that straight line. So for this function, all this will really do is saying is that y of t is going to be equal to the summation to infinity from k equals negative infinity of h of t minus 2kt. So basically all that's telling us is that for what is essentially infinity, we are going to have this function repeating itself every 2t. So we can draw that out, and that's going to be here and up, and it's going to go out again, and just continue on like that for all time. So we can say that this is negative 2t, this is negative t, t, and on. And that's basically the answer to your problem. Thanks for watching.